Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by the CEO of We Talk Football. Yes, sir.
Awu, wambitsa inchayaka.
Simnikeni.
Akilimo Pretoria ngithoma kaSotho.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sundowns ibaphethe handle.
Quality football.
Yes.
Quality football.
There is this man they call Cardoso. People doubted him at first.
Yes.
I just want to give him some business.
Yeah.
He must host a masterclass online so that we can all subscribe.
Yes.
One topic, how to use all your players consecutively, consistently, successfully.
Yeah.
Because when he introduces a player, it's like the game is starting.
Yeah.
Pirates tried to do it in the beginning of the season, but when the season progressed, now you can see when they put on a new player, sometimes the game drops. But Sundowns, when they introduce a player, look when they introduce Santos, straight from the hospital to the field to create a goal, to score a goal. What a goal, a well-constructed goal. That goal, I think I can draw it on paper that this is how the goal was scored. Yes. So Cardoso there, I salute him. He can use his players very well, effectively.
He's excellent.
Do you know effectively what it means? Successfully. Uyenza kahle ngokuphumelela. Yeah, uyenza kahle lento yakhe. Bese uMathuludu ufuna umsebenzi la Sundowns. Yeah, na Pirates na ku Chiefs. Nabo sebethe akayilethi CV. Kodwa namhlanje ukhombisile ukuthi hayi kumfanele ukuthi ngaya nanoma yiliphi iqembu alithandayo.
Nasishiyo.
Umnandi lo mfana. Ulokhuzane uphumile nesibhedlela uThabo Cele. Ebulawa uyo Mathuludu.
Uyabona leyo ndaba le. Akadlali ne Big 3.
Tashrik Matthews uyafana nobaba wakho Cardoso. Abantu uthatha uTashrik Matthews bathi udlale kahle namhlanje. That boy has always been good, but people watch him with their hearts. You know, when you watch a player with your heart, you won't see. When you watch a player according to what you heard, according to what they tell you, they expected him to bring crosses. But I'm happy that even Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs fans, they already understand how he plays. He's not a winger, he's a half wing. I've always been saying this, and now I'm finishing your airtime with such a story. Sundowns is crazy. Like I was saying, in terms of rotation. They have an international striker that they use, that they start with in CAF, Leon. Then locally they start with Ikram Reyners, and the results are the same. Reyners scored today. What else do you want? Mkwena, Mrembula, Tebogo Mkwena. That guy has mastered the art of football. He started as a defensive midfielder. Then he started taking those long-range shots. Now he can combine nicely. Today he took 2 crosses. The other one was almost a goal, and the second one was a goal. So now he has mastered all aspects. He can defend, he can attack, he can start attacks. So that guy is a master. Just like our cameraman, talented. No, but not him bad. Yes, we only know him by his fingers. Yes, and then the rotation at the back as well. Cupido, people were not. Some guys were not happy with Ndamane today. Polokwane City came prepared. They knew how to press. So he had always, when he gets the ball, somebody was in front of him. So he had to pass the ball on the side or pass at the back to the goalkeeper. So according to me, that guy played very well. But on top of everything, what I said before, I'm still saying it today. Sundowns is making us pay 40 rand and watch a game that is worth my whole crawl, my 50 cows, and my salary. And my 350 grand. I'm saying that with confidence. So thank you, Sundowns. Carpet, I think those people, what you call them, stadium management,
Yeah.
they will work very hard to maintain this field because the grass today was bent by the ball.
Yeah.
How can you not win when you have Mkwena in the midfield, Allende in the midfield, Adams in the midfield? How can you not win there? So Sundowns is unfair to other teams because you cannot pass that midfield.
Adlulei.
You can't pass there.
Adlulei.
Kaizer Chiefs will have to work very hard if they are serious about winning, unless I think they will just come and donate points to Sundowns.
Possible.
Other than that, guys, I still love you, but I'm not sure.
Me too.